Yo, what's happening, folks, and welcome to another tutorial by the HitLab Academy for YouTube with myself, Howie Combrink. And today we are going to be speaking about automating your delay. Ha, I love it. So let's get into it. So in a previous video, we spoke about the perfect vocal chain. And we're going back into that project today. It's a song called Sweet Sunshine, which is one of my own compositions and releases. It's by myself, Howie Combrink. It's on Apple Music, Spotify, so you can go check all of that out. So today we're going to be speaking about automating delays into your lead vocal and making your lead vocal just work with the track a little bit more. It's like massaging texture into the lead vocal. And I'm going to show you guys at least the best way that I feel works for this sort of thing and to achieve this kind of delayed result within your track and with your lead vocal. So let's get into a project here. Right, what we got here is we've got a vocal. It's just a chorus vocal that we're going to be working with, which is already on a bus with a full vocal chain that I've already broken up and dissected in a previous video. So the first thing I want to do in order to create this delay on my lead vocal is I'm going to go down here to my bus sends and I'm going to create a new bus send over there, bus 32, and we are going to basically set that up, and that's my bus over there. The next thing I'm going to do is actually get the delay that I want to use for this, and I'm going to go with Native Instruments Replica on this one. So what I want to do with this song is I want to experiment and see what types of delays are going to work with the track. So the first thing I would do is over here, I'm going to send my lead vocal bus 100%. I'm going to send it to this bus, which I'm going to call delay ride. And what I want to do with this delay ride channel is I actually want to create by right-clicking on that fader over there and go create channel, and it's going to import that channel into my actual edit window over here. So I can see the activity that's going to be going on. We're going to be writing that fader over there. So the next thing I want to do to this delay, the first thing I always do to delays is I go and add a little bit of reverb via bus send. So we are going to go with, let's see what reverbs we have available. Let's go with the Capital Chambers reverb on this one. It's the same Capital Chambers we used for the lead vocal, and we will see how that works with the track. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to solo this delay channel. In my bus, my lead vocal bus, I've sent this lead vocal at 100% to my delay fader, which is now acting as a effects bus. And we are basically just going to listen to that delay and see what the delay is doing. And I'm going to change a few things on the delay and find the perfect delay that I think will work for this song. Let's have a listen to this.
Sweet sunshine, please show your face again and again and again. Sweet sunshine, please don't go away. No, 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 no. Sweet sunshine, please show your face again and again. Sweet sunshine, please don't go away. No, 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 no. Sweet sunshine, please show your face again and again and again. Sweet sunshine, please don't go away. Sweet sunshine, please show your face again and again and again. Sweet sunshine, please don't go away. No, 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 no. Sweet sunshine, please show your face again.
Alright, so what I've settled on here is I'm going to go for a dotted 8 notes delay, and I'm going to put the mix in the plugin at 100%, and I'm going to set the feedback to around about 62%. The first thing you'll notice I've done is I went over to the modulation area and I went set filter. I set my cut at 5.5 hertz and my depth at 2.4, and I left that as it was, and I just did a little bit of low pass and high passing over there. With my low cut and high cut knob over there. I've left the delay mode in modern, and I have just added a bit of saturation. The next thing I want to do is press A on my keyboard on Logic and activate the automation area of Logic Pro X. And I want to go in, set this fader to 0 first, which is my delay fader. So what you want to do is you want to set your automation area here to latch, and you want to make sure volume is selected because you're actually going to be riding that fader, the volume of this delay, into the mix. So let's have a listen. Let's have a listen, and I'm going to play with this delay a bit and see how it reacts to the song.
Sweet sunshine, please show your face again, again and again. Sweet sunshine, please don't go away. No, 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 no.
All right, so I want to do that again. I got a good feel there as to what this delay is going to do, and I think that every time I hear the word sweet sunshine, I want to add that dancehall style dotted eighths delay after that to give it a bit of the ruggedness. So let's give that a go. Let's rewrite. We're going to write over that automation that we just recorded right now because that was just a test. So let's give it a go and see how this works.
Sweet sunshine, please show your face again, again and again. Sweet sunshine, please don't go away. No, 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 no.
And it is as easy as that. The next thing you want to do is go back into that little tab over there where latch is and select read, because that is going to basically just read your automation when you play it back. So let's play that back and have a listen and see if we need to do any tweaks.
Sweet sunshine, please show your face again, again and again. Sweet sunshine, please don't go away. No, 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 no.
So off the bat, I just want to add a little bit more reverb to my delay, and I want to add a little bit more feedback to the delay so that the tail rings out a little bit longer. And then the last thing I'm going to do is just over here by my trim knob, I'm going to bring that delay down, the automation of that delay down by a dB or two. It's a little bit loud at the moment. So let's try that and let's have a listen and see how that works.
Sweet sunshine, please show your face again, again and again. Sweet sunshine, please don't go away. No, 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 no.
That's pretty cool. If you really want to fine-tune that automation, you can basically just zoom right in there and you can fine-tune the automation. You can level it out by grabbing one of the dots and pulling it over just like that to make a more consistent signal, or you can pull it back and redeem what you may have lost with that edit. Well, that's it for today, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, please like and subscribe our channel and leave a comment below for the algorithm. That song is a song called Sweet Sunshine. Please head on over to Spotify, Apple Music, wherever you listen to music, and go and give that song a listen. Until next time, have a kick-ass day. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.